Hi everyone, my name is Dan Bragg and this is another vlog from BragDeal. I have a lot of clients asking me about which way should they go about doing Facebook ads or Google ads, or should they do SEO, and I'm going to explain all this in this next video. Alright, so I'm just on my way to a meeting and I had a call from a client that's asking me whether they should do Facebook ads or Google ads, whether they should do SEO, which way is going to generate them leads, which way is going to bring them more jobs. And the answer to that question is really simple. It really comes down to whether you don't want to do long-term or short-term investment and how fast do you want the leads. If you want them right now, if you're depending on leads to grow your business, then of course the paid ads will be the faster route. The only problem with paid ads is the minute you stop paying for them, of course, no longer will those ads be online, and that means nobody will see them again. That being said, with paid ads, you are able to target and retarget different users that come to your site or see your ad, and based on that, you can convert more. Now, when it comes to organic SEO, long-term play, you will be on the pages on search engines for much longer time, and even if you do decide to stop paying for the ads, those advertisements, or sorry, those SEO posts or the organic searches that you worked on will stay where they are for probably the next 3, 4, even to 6 months sometimes, really depending on the competition you have, and you're no longer paying for them. So let me just explain one more time. When you're doing SEO and as you move throughout the pages, you're actually beating your competition, you're moving up to the ranking, and of course as soon as you stop paying, it doesn't mean that you're automatically gone. That just means you're no longer doing any maintenance on it, and eventually your competitors or somebody that's been around for a while will slowly start beating you on your ranking, and that's not even guaranteed to happen either. You might just stay where you are for a long time, and that's kind of, again, depending on the keyword search volume, depending on the keyword itself, and so many other aspects. But it comes down to whether you want the keywords to be there where they are all the time, or do you want to pay for them to be displayed once to the user and disappear after that, after you stop paying. Another really important thing you should be doing is collecting emails. Whether you're doing SEO, Facebook ads, Google ads, or any other type of ad enhancement or moving up your search results, you want to make sure you collect those emails. You can either set up a landing page, you can do a separate website that will have an incentive for why they want to put their email in, but that's a great way to generate extra couple leads. It could be up to 2, 3, 4, maybe sometimes 10 leads per week, really depending on how great your campaign is set up. And I think that's one of the most important things, aside from just paying for the ads or paying for the SEO maintenance, having a very strong conversion set up at the end of everything, whether it's with emails or calls or whichever way you're good at following up with your clients. Alright, so those are my 2 cents on what I think you should be doing for lead generation. Of course, before anything comes first is the website. If you don't have a good website structure from the very beginning, then no matter what else you'll do, they probably won't convert as much. Facebook ads are great, SEO is great, Google ads are great. They all have their own benefits, pros and cons. I definitely recommend you try a little bit of everything and see which one works best for you. What works for one business doesn't mean it works the same way for the other. And until next time, guys, if you have any questions or concerns or any opinions at all, make sure to leave your comments in the description below. Otherwise, like, subscribe, and share the video, and I'll see you in the next video.